How to connect boards on Monday.com. Quick tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can connect boards on Monday.com. So instead of having to connect items manually and having to type in fields and duplicating each individual column or going between boards over and over again like this, you can easily import your data into another board or import certain elements of your data. So let's get into importing data. So I have this meeting agenda board and I want some data from that board to be added to my business agenda. So all I have to do is open up my business agenda board, click on the plus icon to add another column. Over here, you're just going to click on the search bar and search for board. Once you search for board, you're going to click on connect boards over here. And once you do that, you're going to click on select board and you're going to select the board that you want to connect. So you can choose to create a two-way connection as well. However, I just want a singular connection and I will connect this to my meeting agenda. Now, once I do this, I can go on ahead and connect the board and then create a mirror field. So we have our meeting agenda over here that we have, and we can build this as a two-way connection, making sure that it has been added like so. And then what I'm going to do is I'm also going to connect a new field and I'm going to click on mirror, and then I'm just going to click on connect boards, and then it's going to import the specific data from that particular board. So we have two of our boards over here. And then we can just go on ahead and proceed like this. So I'm just going to connect only one of these, so the meeting agenda one, and then click on connect boards, and then I have created the mirror column over here. So I'm going to select what exactly I want to import, and then you have your mirror column, which can select the type of status or type of column you want to insert. So let's say within the mirror image I want to import maybe the topic description. So I'm going to go on ahead, go into the mirror section, and then I'm going to select topic description, and then I can go on ahead and add a particular item. So I'm going to add all of the items from here like this, and then you guys can see in the mirror section it's going to show all of the information that is present, which is our description. And just like that, you can go on ahead and connect boards on Monday.com. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this, and I will catch you guys in the next video.